If you are an Illustrator user, you might want to draw a path in Illustrator and then bring that over into After Effects and then use it as a motion path for a layer. That's what we're going to talk about in this tutorial. Let's first go and import an asset here. So I'm going to go and double click, and then I'll select my plane, and then I'll import this as footage this time. I'll click open, and then I'm going to bring the plane into the composition and just place it anywhere I like, somewhere here maybe. And what I want to happen now is for this plane to follow a path, like maybe a wavy path like that, but I want to draw that path in Illustrator. So for that, let's switch back to Illustrator, and I'm going to get my pen tool and just draw any odd path here. So I'm just going to go click and draw any path I like that. Now, in order to take this path from Illustrator into After Effects, you first need to select it. So I'm going to get my selection tool, and then you copy it by simply pressing Command C, and then let's switch back to After Effects. And in order to apply that path from Illustrator onto this plane as a motion path in After Effects, you need to go to the plane and then reveal the position by pressing the letter P on the keyboard. And you need to first click on the stopwatch here to create the initial keyframe. So that way, After Effects will know that you want to paste the path as a motion path. So you just go and click on the stopwatch here. Now that you've got the first keyframe, all you have to do is to paste the path. So you just go press Command V. And now I had that path from Illustrator pasted directly onto the layer in After Effects. So if I now go and play this, you'll see that the plane will be following that path we drew in Illustrator. And of course I can set the plane to auto-orient as well. So for that I'm going to use the shortcut Command-Alt-O. And then I'll tell it to orient itself along the path. And then OK. And if I go and play it, you'll see that the plane will follow the path exactly as I drew it in Illustrator. And it will also orient itself along the path.